How to clear chat on Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the message icon given at the bottom left. You'll be directed to the conversation page. Now head over to the chat that you want to clear. Press and hold on the conversation. You're gonna get different option. Navigate to the option chat and notification settings. Now click on the option clear from chat feed. This will clear the conversation from your feed. It will not delete any saved or sent messages in your conversation. Click on clear. With that, the entire conversation will be removed from this page. As if right now this is the only way to clear chat on Snapchat. If you are looking to delete a specific chat, what you want to do is launch the conversation. Now head towards the chat that you want to delete. Press and hold on the chat. Click on the option delete. Click on the option delete. So, these are the ways to clear chat on Snapchat. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.